Hello everybody, it's me again. Oh man, I've been running around and it's really windy today. So I'll just use the video as my little mirror. How's it going? It's Dione Irwin here again with Remax House of Real Estate, Dione Irwin team. Thanks for everybody for watching. So I just was at an acreage this morning. I used to live on the street in the acreage. And now I'm in airdrie. I'm at another super rare property. This one's maybe even more rare than the acreage I was just at. And I used to live on this street too. So this is a really awesome day. I love this street so much. I probably should be buying this house, but it's not the right timing, or I totally would buy this house. Hi James, hi everybody, hi Jessica. Hi everybody for joining in. Sunday is the day for videos. It's a good day. And the sun came out a bit. So anyways, I'm at 113 Farr Crescent in Airdrie, and I used to live across the street. This is, I love this street so much. So when these guys called me, I felt very honored to be able to market and sell this home for these awesome people. They did an amazing renovation, you guys. Hi Jen, happy Sunday. Thanks for joining. Okay, I'm gonna show you this house. You can see behind me, look at how beautiful it is. Like, this is just amazing. They did so many wonderful things to this house. It's too many to list almost, but I'm gonna try my best. And if I forget, I will type it in later if I forget anything, but I'm gonna really try hard not to forget anything. So this is kind of like, I call it like inner city airdrie living. It's the older area of airdrie. This house is like a new house on an old lot. So that's, who doesn't want that? Oversized heated garage, huge south backyard, hardy board on the front, just everything new inside. I'm gonna show you. So make sure if you guys know somebody looking for a house in Jensen, Old Town area in airdrie, fully renovated, you got to tag them. Start a watch party somewhere. You can message me and I will make sure I get you into this house. So we've just done a tiny bit of staging. Didn't really need much because these guys just had it so beautiful. But I do not want to take too long today because, you know, I got more things to do today. But I'm so excited about all these houses that I get to be in. Very, very thankful. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys the street. Here's the street. Flip you. Okay, check out the street. Quiet street. You can walk to everything. You can walk to all the stores. You can walk to the tri-schools. My kids used to just walk and they'd be at school in a few minutes. Listen. Birds. So gorgeous. Whoever gets this house is going to be so lucky. And I'll tell you guys the price too at the end, you know. Okay, here's the front. Check out how adorable this house is. They put a new door, they've got new siding, they've got shutters. They have shutters on the inside of the house too. The lawn in the summer, I know these guys, they wanted to kind of get it on the market now, but the lawn in the summer is like none other. It's so lush and green, and they've got all the nice landscaping done. But wait till you see the backyard. Oh, there's too many exciting things. Okay, let's go in. Okay, you come in, and here's what you see. Open concept, hardwood floor, pot lights, knockdown ceiling. So it's a bungalow. Big dining area, huge island. Look at this granite, you guys. I love this granite. This is a sexy kitchen. Okay, that's what I call it. It is very gorgeous. This fridge, look at the fridge. This is a smart fridge. You can talk to this fridge and it will answer you and it will tell you everything that's happening in the world. They've got their pictures of the house on it. I think it's about a $5,000 fridge. There's at least $150,000 in renovations in this house, right? It's amazing. So you come in, here's your home office. Double doors, home office. Okay, I'll show you the kitchen a bit more too. Okay, look, we've got a lovely bathroom here. All right, and then we have a really good sized master bedroom. So it's 2 bedrooms up plus a den. Look at this. This is a huge bed. It is a huge king size bed. Okay, and we have a 2-piece bath here, and then we got the main bath. Chantel, do you love that? Hello, Chantel. Thanks for watching. Chantel says she loves the Samsung fridge. It is so beautiful. Okay, now these guys, they have a lot of clothes. They made this bedroom into a dressing room, which I think is an awesome idea if you don't need this bedroom up here. Those units could stay if you want them as well. So this could totally fit a double or queen size bed in it. But right now, they have a full dressing room over here because they also have children. But the basement is so gorgeous, the kids get the basement. So I'm gonna show you. Okay, it's black stainless steel. We've got extra drawers. They've got a little fridge or microwaves down here, which is really nice because then you can have this nice hood fan. Right, there you go. Crown molding, cabinets to the ceiling, just all the things, you guys, all new light fixtures. The paint is immaculate. Okay, let's go outside now. Look at this oasis. I've never seen anything like this. This is a fully permitted, fully screened in. Outdoor, it's like a living room outside. It's fully screened. Look at this. They spent so much time out here. They spent so much time building this, and it's got lights. It's got a fireplace. Look at this. Look at the outdoor fireplace. Isn't that amazing? Can you imagine sitting here in the summer? Do you love it, guys? I might just sit here today. I don't think they will mind. They're watching. Do you guys mind if I just hang out here today? Oh man, okay. Another time. But look at also what we have going on right outside this beautiful screened area. We have an amazing private hot tub space. Hot tubs included. Look at that waterfall. Oh, I could just jump in there right now. In summer, the trees are so full here. Look at the yard. Fully landscaped. Beautiful yard. We have an oversized heated garage. I think it's 22 by 24. Plus RV parking. You could fit like 3 or 4 vehicles in there, or an RV. I think it's about 30 foot you could fit. This is something that I love. Okay, we have a sandbox, so if you have kids or grandkids, wouldn't they love to play on this amazing treehouse? In the summer, it's like the Berenstain Bears house. Look at this treehouse, you guys. Oh my goodness. So it's just everything. Okay, let's go down and see the basement. Here we go. So it's not on the market yet. If you want to see it, message me and I will get you in here because we don't want you to miss this one. It's a rare opportunity, very rare. Here's the basement, pot lights, knockdown ceilings, shutters. They have room, they made a special spot for shuffleboard, which I think is so cool. Okay, so we have a really nice area for watching TV, hanging out. They have got an actual gym floor here, which is so cool because who doesn't need a space for their gym at home? It's just perfect. And big TV fits in here. If you didn't want this, you could always put it back. You could put another type of flooring there, but even if you have kids or whatever, I think it's an awesome idea to put that flooring in there. Here's one of the bedrooms. There you go. It's a good sized bedroom. And then, oops, oh, storage, ouch. Laundry, we got laundry in here. We have got a $10,000 water system, Culligan, dechlorinator, reverse osmosis, amazing water in this house, and it even runs through the fridge. So the drinking water out of the fridge is perfect. They added extra storage for fridge and freezer here. You could put something else if you wanted, but right now they have their extra fridge. Okay. This bathroom, because they've got 2 kids, they made this bathroom perfect. 2 sinks. Look at the cute space over there. It's kind of a private little toilet area. Really nice glass shower with subway tile. pot light right above it. It's just bright and awesome. And then here's the other bedroom. So it's a good sized bedroom. We've got, like, that's a double, I think, on the bottom, twin on the top. So, I mean, seriously, this is a wonder. I'll call you back, whoever was calling. Okay, this house, I love all the houses I list. Everybody puts so much of their heart into their houses, and I just appreciate being a part of it. So anyways, if you want to see this house, message me, call your realtor, get your realtor to call me. We will show it to you. We will get you into this house. You have to see it if you're looking for a bungalow in Old Airdrie, Jensen area. It's a tri-school division. Make sure you message me. I'll tell you the price. It's $549.9 for all of this. It's an amazing property, you guys. So I'm looking forward to hearing from you. You all have a great Sunday and enjoy the day. Thanks for watching. Bye.